Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome with me again in this video. Here you see my thumbnail or in my title in this title of this video. Um, you can see that in this video I will show you guys about the basic mode of this Cisco compressor. So it's different from the logical mode. In logical mode we only see something like this. Like so in physical mode like uh, make real topology like can uh, insert a device in rack, and after that can insert a computer, a laptop, and after that can use a different type of cable here like a strike cable, crossover cable, and it is a video I got a lab from my teacher. And yes, you can see here there is two office in here. See this office one, the first office, and this the second office. And this two office is connect each other with switch. And yeah, we'll start from the first office here, and we can see that make you can see in this topology. This is the first office. So okay, we have four routers, two switches, and two computers, and two laptops. And here um, we need to use console cable to router like this. Here I will show you guys the first router. So solve here. Okay, now I'm going to turn this to the desktop terminal. Okay, okay, yes, you can see here. I make a password and find console 0 the password, and um, I make database for PC 0, laptop 0, and laptop 1, and instead I make a joystick here for film 10 52, and after I use routing protocol, line routing protocols, right version 2, that I configuration vulnerability to here, and of course encrypts all of the password in this this is secret all in this, and after that you can see in the switch 2. Okay, in here that to belong to 10 and 20. See, this is film 10 for the computer, the PC 0, and film 20 for two laptops. And it's virtual guide with internet password, of course, and that this the IP of this PC one is 172.16.10.2, and we can go to okay, I'll show you guys this. Okay. In this future, the future I make videos of before for year 13. Because in here in 13, because in here there's the PC one connected to the switch and the switch is connected to the router. So I use VLAN here, and then the switch 2 is connected to the second office. As you can see in here, guys, I'm joystick here for the PC for host, and this is the IP14 is for uh, the wave for the second office with the prefix 30 is 2 IP. Okay, now we can go to the second office. I can see it's the router, so the PC with crossover cable, and you can see it here too. I make a video support for this host, and I use this IP for this host too. That I use G dynamic protocol IP for this host. And well, I can show you guys for this lab that I got from my teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi